So here we're trying to find the lower and upper quartile. So first of all, we need to find the median. We've got 13 numbers here, so there'll be one number in the middle. And if we go back to that, we can find that that number there would be 8. And we notice that there's 6 numbers that side and 6 numbers that side. So first of all, we're going to look at all the numbers under this median, and we're going to ignore the median. We're not going to count that. If there's 2 medians in the middle, so we find halfway between 2 numbers, we would count either side of it. So we have a look here and we've got 6 numbers either side. So what we do is find halfway down the middle of those, and we draw a line here, and we look at the 2 numbers there, and we find halfway between 4 and 4, which is 4. So therefore our lower quartile is going to be 4. Okay, here's our median of 8. Okay, then we look at these upper numbers above the median, which is 8. We've got 6 numbers there, so we're going to divide that in half. And here we've got the 2 numbers of 12 and 15. And to find we're going to find halfway between those. You can either do that by adding them together and dividing by 2, or we can work out that the halfway between 12 and 15 is 13.5, and that's going to be our upper quartile. Okay, down the bottom here in orange, we've got a box and whisker graph. So what the deal is with a box and whisker graph, this bottom one here is going to give our minimum. Okay, all right, minimum. So that's our minimum, and up the top is our maximum. Now our median's in the middle here, okay, and that in this case is about 43. Okay, now where we find our lower and upper quartile on this is that here's our lower quartile here. So we just read it down the bottom there on the scale, and that's about 23. So that's our lower quartile. And then our upper quartile is this one here, and that's about 55. So that's how you find the lower and upper quartiles.